Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering the calculator and making the screen readable. Press on, then hold second and tap up or down to adjust contrast so digits are crisp. Next, set mode. Pick float versus fix for decimal display and choose degree or radian depending on your math. This matters because wrong angle mode breaks trig results. Finally, make sure batteries are good or charge the unit. A low battery can corrupt memory and interrupt updates. You now perform calculations and prepare graphs. Enter expressions using parentheses and the key for exponents. Use the 1/x key for reciprocals. Once done, press Y equals and type a function. Then press window to set xmin, xmax, and scale. Make sure range covers interesting features. Press graph to plot. If you need specifics, press trace to move along the curve or use zoom and 2. Zoom fit to automatically adjust. These steps let you see. You finish by saving work and learning recovery options. Store computed values with SDO right arrow into variables like O or X, and recall them with vars for reuse. This speeds multi-step problems. For data work, open stat then edit to enter lists, and run stat then calc for regressions or summaries. If the calculator misbehaves, perform a RAM reset only after backing up important programs. This clears glitches. If problems persist, reinstall the OS. That usually resolves firmware faults.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.